All deliverables are available to view in the Overview tab of your project. In the previous video, we discussed all aspects of the bundle adjustment report. The next deliverable available to you is the dense point cloud. A dense point cloud model is a three-dimensional representation of the Earth's surface that is created from a large number of closely spaced units. Unlike sparse point clouds, which contain fewer points and are primarily used for initial reconstruction, as you can see in the Analyzer tab, dense point clouds capture detailed surface geometry with a high point density. These models provide highly accurate and detailed representations of terrain features such as buildings, vegetation, and topography. You are able to export this file as a LAS or point cloud data file. Next is the 2D digital elevation model. These models are commonly used for cartographic purposes, terrain analysis, and GIS applications, providing valuable insights into elevation variations and topographic features across landscapes. You are able to export this file as a TIFF, .tfw, or .jgw for opening in GIS software and other mapping applications, or as a JPEG. The next model is the 3D manipulatable surface model, which provides information about the elevation, slope, and shape of the terrain, as well as spatial relationships between various features such as buildings, vegetation, and natural landforms. These models are invaluable for a wide range of applications. With this model in the Canvas tab, you can visualize the terrain, extract precise measurements, and conduct spatial analyses to support informed decision-making and planning processes. You are able to export this model as a wavefront.obj file to open in 3D modeling software. Last but not least is the orthomosaic model, which is a 2D representation of the surface model. Orthomosaics, or orthos for short, provide a seamless, high-resolution view of the landscape, enabling precise measurements and analysis. You are able to download this as a JPEG or request a TIFF. You are also able to view a full project report, which is the bundle adjustment report from earlier, paired with your deliverables, the orthomosaic and the digital elevation model. At the bottom is the ability to transform your product into a dense point cloud, digital elevation model, or orthomosaic and change the coordinate system of the dataset.